Follow these steps to scan documents on iPhone. Let's get started. First, check for the iOS update. For that, launch your Settings app, scroll down, navigate to the option General, head over to the option Software Update. If you find any updates over here, just update your iOS to its latest version. After you do that, close this. Now launch your Notes app, then open a new note. Here, you're gonna find different option. Click on this attachment option. Now click on the option Scan Documents. With that, your camera will open up. Now you can position the document in view and then scan it. In this way, scan all the documents. Once you are done, you can click on Save. Now you're gonna find all the documents that you have scanned. Now you can click on this Share option and then use these platforms to share this scanned documents. So this is how you can easily scan documents on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.